Gondor corn tortilla making machine. Compact structure and wear-resistant gear. Different shapes of molds can be customized. 8 gears can be adjusted. Non-sticky and no waste. Speed up to 1000到1500 pieces/hour. Thickness can be adjusted within 1.5毫米到6毫米. Different plugs can be provided for free. Small design, space saving. Smooth surface, adjustable thickness. Fast leather working is more efficient. Meet diverse needs. Wide range of application. Client gallery. What our customers say.
Hello dear Lola, thank you for helping me when I needed to buy the dryer. It's working perfectly, it looks great, and everything came as it was supposed to be.